Hey guys, welcome to another video for the Poco X3 Pro, and unfortunately we don't really have a good news exactly in this particular video. Poco X3 Pros around the world are heartbreaking. What a heartbreak means, why is it happening, what is the solution, who is to be blamed, we will talk about that in this particular video. I will also show you a way to go ahead and downgrade to MIUI 12 on a locked bootloader without TWRP, without a computer, so that you can stay on MIUI 12 till the time this particular issue is completely taken care of. So watch till the end and make sure you get the complete information before you actually go ahead and do anything, because this can be dangerous if you're on MIUI 12.5. So before we get into all of that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. In the description of each video, you will find a link to our Telegram community where you have more than 1,000 like-minded people chatting with each other, so join us there. Last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Phone Ops. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so first things first, before I read this post, I will tell you what a hard brick is. Now there are two types of bricks. One is a soft brick, which is basically a software brick, and one is a hard brick, which is basically a hardware brick. Now what a software brick means, you can, maybe if you have a unlocked bootloader, you can flash the stock ROM and you should be fine. If you have a locked bootloader, you can take it to the service center and they have a way to flash stock ROM on locked bootloaders and it should be fine. Now a hard brick means that some hardware component on your device is dead, because of which it will not boot, or the camera will not work, or something or the other will be a permanent damage. That is what is happening to these devices. That is the Poco X3 Pros, and some people are saying it is only happening to 6GB variants. It's not happening to 8GB variants. So there's a lot of things going around. There's a lot of viral news going around that this is the reason, this kernel is the reason, this custom ROM is the reason. But so far, the true thing that has come out is that MIUI 12.5 is the reason. Not exactly the firmware, but because people who are on MIUI 12.5 are getting bricks. So what is recommended is you downgrade to MIUI 12, and that is where this particular video comes into the picture. So first things first, let's read what the official Poco X3 Pro updates channel has to say. If you ever get this glitchy screen, there's a high chance that your device is going to hard brick soon. The glitches usually get accompanied by system reboots and reboots to fast boot. We still haven't determined what exactly leads to the brick. All reports so far have been from users on stock MIUI 12.5 or 12.5 based custom ROMs, either with locked or unlocked bootloader. But yesterday we had the first case of a brick on AOSP2. It's probably because of MIUI 12.5 firmware, and we suggest you to downgrade to MIUI 12, right? If you want to use MIUI and use only MIUI 12 firmware, if you're an ASP CAF custom ROM user, also make sure to take a backup of all your data and stuff like that, right? So the only solution to this hard brick is you have to take this to the service center and they will replace the motherboard for you, which of course will be time consuming and you will probably lose a lot of your data. So even if you're not having any issues, if your phone is running absolutely fine on 12.5, right now the first thing that you should do is back up all your data, because Poco community is suggesting you be safe and follow this video and downgrade. Now there have been several groups in my Telegram itself, several users who have reported that their phones are getting bricked and they have to replace the motherboard. Although it is covered under warranty, but if you can avoid it, why do you even want to get into that, right? Now, this is everything about the issue, and one thing that I'd like to make clear over here, if you're not sure, unless the Poco team officially announces that this particular custom kernel or this particular MIUI 12.5 update or anything is the concrete reason, don't speculate. Just don't blame developers who are doing hard work out there. I've recently had a lot of people tell me that this kernel is the issue, that kernel is the issue. Well, till the time it is decided and it is defined that this was the reason the bricks were happening, please don't conclude anything, right? Now we will get into the process of downgrading to MIUI 12. Again, the first thing that you need to make sure is you have backed up all your data. All the information on your phone's internal storage, make sure that you've backed up, and this will work on a locked bootloader. You don't need a computer, you don't need TWRP, and last but not the least, do it at your own risk, because Poco X3 Pros right now are vulnerable. But follow this and you should be fine, because I just did this before making this particular video. Now let's go to the main screen. So if you go to settings over here, you go to about phone, you will see that I am running 12.5.4 stable. right? This is the official 12.5.4 update for Bhima. This trick will also work on Vayu. I will tell you the prerequisites. Now, the first prerequisite is you need to ensure that your data is backed up. The second prerequisite is make sure your battery is charged for more than 50%. More than 50%, right? Now, if you're from the European region or any other region, you need to first take a note of what firmware version you are on. For example, if you see over here, MIUI version 12.5.4.0 RJUI NXM. That means I am on Bhima, the Indian variant, right? You will have, instead of IN, you will have EU over here, right? So if you just go to Google and type in download X3 Pro stock ROM, right? You can just download this. The moment you Google it, you will find this website called Xiaomi Firmware Updater. Okay, and the moment you go ahead and open this particular website, you will see that it has a list of ROMs available. So the first thing that you need to determine, if you don't, if you get confused by this name, like am I EEA, am I Russia, am I global, or am I Indonesia, well, you can match this as you can see over here. So for example, if I show you I am from India, and this will RJUINXM will exactly match with this. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is you need to download the current firmware which is installed, the current ROM which is installed on your phone, and make sure that it is completely downloaded. Now these files are huge, these are around 3 GB files, so you have to be on a good internet connection and make sure that you have enough storage space on your phone's internal memory or SD card wherever you're going and downloading it. Now once you've downloaded that, you need to then go ahead and download the firmware to which you wish to downgrade. Right now, for me, in my case, I'm going to go to MIUI 12 and I'll go to the first ever MIUI 12 version, that is 12.0.4. right? So I'm from India, so I have to look for Poco X3 Pro India stable recovery ROM. We're not looking for fast boot, we're looking for recovery ROM 12.0.4. right? The moment you click on download, you will get an ad. You can close that ad and you can go ahead and download it from here. Now again, you'll have two options over here, recovery and fast boot. Just download the full ROM, that is recovery ROM. Okay, now considering that you've downloaded both the files to your phone's internal memory, we will proceed to the next step. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go to lock screen and you need to remove your fingerprint scanner, your pattern, your PIN, all the passwords, and your face unlock. Once you've removed all of that, you need to go to your MI account and remove the MI account. Right, so I'll go ahead and quickly remove the MI account over here. So my MI account is removed. I don't have a Google account added, as you can see, and the lock screen is taken care of. Now after this, reboot your device once. Now remember, so far we've done almost everything and the files are downloaded in the phone's internal memory. In that case, for you, it will be in the download folder over here. But for me, it's in the main root folder, and these are two files. I am on current 12.5.4, match this code, and I want to go to 12.0.4. Now in a normal situation, in a perfect world, what would happen is you would just go to about phone, you would go to MIUI version, you would keep tapping on it 7 to 8 times till the time you get a pop-up over here, additional update features are enabled. Okay, once that happens, select these 3 dots, select choose update package. It will take you to the file manager, and if you have a SD card, it will ask you if you want to use internal storage or SD card, so use whatever storage you have the files on. And I want to downgrade, so I would just select 12.0.4 and hit OK. Now Xiaomi have blocked this. Okay, so we have to do a workaround, and remember, everything will be wiped because without formatting the phone you cannot downgrade. So it says sorry, flash older version is not allowed. Now remember, this is the reason we downloaded the file which is the current one, the one on which we are already updated, right? So what we'll do over here is we'll go to choose updater package again. Okay, and this time we will select the latest version on which we are already there, 12.5.4, and hit OK. Now let it do verifying. You will need internet access for that to the phone. It says retrieving info. Okay, now don't click anything over here. Be very careful. Your device will reboot automatically to update to this version. Okay, so directly go to the home screen, then go to the file manager. Now what you need to do here is slightly tricky but very easy. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is press and hold this, more, select rename. Okay, and then press and hold on this name, right? This entire name, and select copy. Okay, now just rename this zip. So I'll just rename it to 1.zip. Okay, this is our current. Now we want to downgrade to this version 12.0.4, right? So press and hold this, more, select rename, hit the backspace to erase everything, press and hold over here and paste. Make sure .zip is there. Okay, now what we've done is we are basically fooling the system to think that my 12.0.4 zip is 12.5.4. Okay, now the renaming is done. Make sure you don't make any errors in renaming. Now go to the multitasking menu and go to the updater, and now select reboot and update. Okay, you will see it'll start decrypting. Okay, now this update process is long, downgrading is long. It will take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes to go ahead and flash that downgrade file. So please be patient while that happens. Okay, now as you can see, it says updating MIUI, don't turn off your device. So please be patient while this entire process is complete. And let me give you a heads up. Once this is done, it will take you to recovery directly. It will not be able to boot because you have downgraded. The security patch is downgraded, the system is downgraded. So the phone doesn't know what to do. And once it takes to recovery, I'll tell you what next is to be done. Let's wait for it to be installed. Okay, now as you can see, the update has completed. We are booting into recovery now because of course the phone is confused and it doesn't know what exactly is to be done here. Okay, now as you can see, it has rebooted into recovery. So using the volume up and volume down key, you need to select wipe data, select the power key to hit OK. So power, and wipe all data, hit power again, and then select volume down to confirm and power again. Okay, now it has wiped everything. Back to main menu and reboot to system. Okay, now this is the first boot, and the MIUI first boot takes around 3 to 5 minutes. So please be patient while that happens. Okay, as you can see, we are on the setup menu. So I'm quickly going to skip the setup menu because what is important over here is I need to show you how to stop it from automatically updating, because Xiaomi phones have a tendency of downloading the software and keeping it in background, and the moment you reboot for any other reason, it will update your phone, and we don't really want to go to MIUI 12.5 till the time this particular issue is taken care of. So we'll quickly skip the setup part. Okay, now as you can see, we are on the home screen. So let's first go to settings. Let's go to about phone. As you can see, this is MIUI 12.0.4. So go to settings quickly over here. Right, download automatically, disable. Download using mobile data, disable. Install automatically, disable. Make sure all these features are disabled. Okay, and then you will not be updating automatically to MIUI 12.5. And as you can see, we have successfully downgraded to MIUI 12.0.4. Now you can use this method to downgrade from MIUI 12.5 any version to MIUI 12 any version. Luckily for the Poco X3 Pro, this doesn't have an Android version jump, so that is good. But all in all, this is the quickest, safest way to downgrade to MIUI 12 and save your Poco X3 Pro from a hard break till the time this particular situation is resolved. The links are mentioned in the description. Hit this video a like and subscribe if I helped you. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.